Hello friends, how are you doing at your summer vacations? I am reading a lot of books, but whenever I close them, I forget where I was. So my mama gave me an idea to make bookmarks. Here I have made one froggy one. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your own. So you need a square paper. Fold it into a triangle. Fold it like this. Triangle. Then open it again. And two more half triangles. Now we open it again. Now we take one from here, one layer from there, put it down here. Now we have 2 points. So we will take this here and lift this up and put it inside. Press it. Now we again lift it up. And now put it in here. First you just do this. Now lift it up, put it inside. And now fold it. Here it is, our bookmark. Here is our base. Now we read it. Now it's time to decorate it. So here we are making a mouse. I got some eyes, ears and bookmark is done. Look at this. Now let's see if it works. Guys, isn't this cool? Hello. Here I made some more. A rabbit, cute little bunny, and a shark. And this one is a frog. Vivek. Hope you enjoy making this funny bookmarks, and you can make them in different colors. Please like, share and subscribe. Now tell me, which one do you like? Frog, rabbit, shark or this bunny? Bye bye for now.